Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ordify token. Ticker symbol is ORFI, Orfy. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. This token is on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a BEP20 token. Might be cross-chain. Obviously, Ordinals is in the name, so it could be also BRC20. But we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it and all that stuff in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain, but it is not even available on Pancakeswap. If you check out their BSC scan, it says 7 holders, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 100 million tokens. So it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing. Starting April 10th at 11 a.m., this token will be listed on Gate. Now that's 11 a.m. UTC time. So you'll be able to get this token by downloading Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or going to gate.io and opening an account on your PC. And then funding that account with USDT, go into the trade section and search ORFI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So on their webpage, ordify.world, they have a document section, a launch pad, information, all sorts of stuff on their webpage here. The bottom of their webpage, they have Medium, Twitter, 2 different Telegrams. Their Twitter is at Ordify World. I'm going to put that up in the corner of the screen so you can find the project I'm talking about. And on that Twitter, they also have the Gate announcement. They have contact information at the bottom of their page. So a launch pad is kind of like Pink Sales. Pink Sale launch pad, where they have new tokens, and they're called initial DEX offerings, these pre-sales. So on Ordify, you can apply for an IDO to use their launch pad. That's at the very bottom of their webpage as well. Now, how their token is split up here, it says 4% goes to seed round, 20.67% private round, 3% community round, 2.8% KOL, 7.73% public round, 9% team, 5% advisors, 10% marketing, 8.8% reserve treasury, 11% staking incentives, 15% liquidity provision, and 3% to the DAO fund. So there is governance involved here with the decentralized autonomous organization. So on their document section, if you go to ordify.gitbook.io, they have here a breakdown of Bitcoin as a layer 1, a layer 2. They talk about BRC20 explained. The supported wallets for BRC20. You can go over all sorts of different stuff there. And then we have, what is Ordify? So Ordify offers a suite of carefully crafted products designed to elevate your investment experience across multiple blockchain networks. This suite includes a launchpad, bridge, wallet, and we're exploring the addition of more tools to further enhance the suite's functionality. Our main objective is to facilitate the growth of the emerging Bitcoin ecosystem and offer every user the chance to participate and gain exposure to this evolving landscape. Ordify explores the integration of BRC20 stacks, Bitcoin Layer 2s, ERC20, and other EVM-compatible chains to be able to crowdfund and developed for each layer while not being limited to the Bitcoin ecosystem. So currently no launch pads are operating within the Bitcoin space. Establishing Ordify as the pioneering player in the industry, Ordify's cutting-edge technology is centered around offering support for projects and enabling users to invest during the pre-sale launch phase in the emerging Bitcoin ecosystem. However, Ordify's scope extends beyond Bitcoin's ecosystem to encompass compatibility with EVM chains like Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, Avalanche, and other networks. While the primary emphasis lies on Bitcoin and crowdfunding for tokenized Bitcoin assets, Ordify's capabilities are not confined solely to this domain. So the Ordify Launchpad has only 6 tiers and operates on a pool weight-based method. Each tier is listed. So they have the intern, engineer, pilot, specialist, astronaut, and Satoshi tiers. So these all have different staking points required for each one, and they all have different pool weight. So they have staking and rewards, they have a referral program, they have KYCs, they have the refund policy, Orfy Bridge, Orfy Wallet, and then they have a roadmap. So that roadmap started in Q3 2023 with Ordify concept, BRC20 and other layer 2 research, team restructuring, community growth initiatives, strategic industry partnerships, web launch, incubating labs and venture initiative, Orfy Ventures, launchpad development, marketing and brand visibility, expression of interests in investments, launchpad completion, Orfy incentive airdrop program, Orfy staking and reward setup, integration to EVM compatible chains, integration of Bitcoin Layer 2s into the launchpad, IDO of Orfy, token launch on decentralized and centralized exchange listings. So that's kind of where we're at now. Launching incubated projects, bridge beta, supporting other chains, buyback, integration of NFT platform on Ordify, alpha phase of their wallet, improving security and infrastructure, expanding to support layer 2 chains, buyback, improve token performance, beta testing, more buyback, expand Orfy Ventures, add integration of other EVM chains to the wallet. So basically, that's all the things that they're doing. We pretty much went over tokenomics already. And yeah, you'll be able to get this token on Gate. And then shortly after, I'm sure it'll be on Pancakeswap if Gate's not available in your area. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.